Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to check out some gaming laptop that literally everyone is buying from. Gadgets that are really handy for gaming tasks. These are Amazon's most viral gaming laptop you must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand high performance and immersive experiences. As part of ASUS's Republic of Gamers ROG line, the G16 features cutting-edge hardware and a sleek design tailored to provide both form and function for gamers and content creators alike. The G16 comes with a 16-inch display, offering an ideal balance between screen size and portability. The screen typically boasts a high refresh rate 165 Hz or higher, ensuring smooth gameplay during fast-paced action sequences. It also supports good color accuracy, making it a solid choice for gamers and creators working on multimedia content. The G16 includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6E. The Acer Nitro V gaming laptop is designed to deliver a high-performance gaming experience while also offering a sleek and stylish build. It combines powerful hardware with features tailored for gaming enthusiasts and content creators. The ASUS TUF Gaming A17 is a powerful gaming laptop designed to deliver solid performance and durability for gamers and enthusiasts. Part of ASUS's TUF, the Ultimate Force series, it blends military-grade toughness with gaming capabilities, making it a great choice for those who need a reliable, high-performance laptop for both gaming and productivity tasks. The TUF series, the A17, is designed to meet military-grade MIL STD810H standards for durability. This means it's built to withstand rough conditions. The Jumper ESBOok S7 High is a budget-friendly laptop from Jumper, designed to provide users with a portable and affordable computing experience. It caters to people who need a lightweight device for everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, media consumption, and casual work. The ESBOok S7 High offers a combination of practicality and performance. The Acer Aspire 3 A31524PR7VH Slim laptop is a versatile and budget-friendly laptop that balances performance and portability. Designed for everyday use, it's a great option for students, professionals, and casual users who need a reliable device for tasks like browsing the web, document editing, video streaming, and light multitasking. The Acer Aspire 3 A31524PR7VH has a sleek and slim profile, making it easy to carry around, whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading to class. Its compact design, with a lightweight body, allows it to fit comfortably into a backpack. The device comes with a 512GB SSD, which ensures quick boot-up times and faster access to your files and applications.